Because it is still important to be informed of legislation affecting women, I have formed a legislative committee to apprise our membership of bills that may be of interest. The committee will also be hosting a legislative reception in Springfield to connect with our lawmakers. Also, helping our members find jobs is still as relevant today as it was in 1914. Although we have all heard that women make up the majority of the law school class, we failed to maintain that statistic proportionately once upon graduation. What we see is that if women do enter legal careers, they fail to stay, or if they do stay, they fail to advance at the same rate as men. The more we network, however, the more of an opportunity we have to change that. Networking opens the doors to business relations. It opens the door to keeping women in the profession, as well as transitioning them back into the profession as they raise their families. To further quote President Elsa Beck, we are a small group and need the support of every woman attorney if we are to gain recognition and the positions we seek. Although written in 1937, it still applies today. As we approach a century of progress, I have set forth an agenda that helps this organization attain the goal of truly becoming a statewide organization. We will continue to host events in Chicago, but our membership committee and myself have committed to traveling the state and working with other county bar associations. Not only will we be hosting a legislative reception, but we will also have an event in Peoria with past President Karen Diamond. We will also be taking advantage of technology and offering further CLE webinars and lunchtime seminars for those that practice in the suburbs but come downtown for court. We're also working on a referral listserv for our members to increase that networking potential. We become empowered through networking with each other by opening these doors and making connections. As is demonstrated by the careers of our Women with Vision awardees, Jill Wine-Banks and Wendy Baum, each has been empowered by her networking and is evidenced by the success of her career. Although I face the challenge of being a new mom and juggling the demands of this presidency and my career, these goals are attainable with the help of the dedicated board that I am fortunate to work with. I am also fortunate to work at a firm such as Corboy Demetrio, and I want to thank them for all their support and generosity that has helped get me to this point. And of course, I cannot go without thanking my husband, Matt, for whom I could not set these goals and make them achievable throughout the course of this year, being a new mom and being president of this association and juggling my career. I also want to thank my co-chairs and the committee who helped plan this evening, along with Monique, our administrator. And lastly, I want to thank you for being here and showing all of your support for the Women's Bar Association of Illinois. And I look forward to working with each of you towards a successful year. Thank you.